So, I don't know about you, but when I want to ship to Jamaica and do so reliably, I use shopandrelax.com. I've used other sites in the past, but they've always wanted so much information. With Shop and Relax, it's easy. Just put in your first and last name along with an email address, and the account is ready. Nice and easy, just the way I like it. I don't live in Jamaica, but I don't want the receiver of goods to have the hassle of paying for the package being received. With shopandrelax.com, I can take care of all the fees on my end by just using a credit card. Again, two simple facts. A full name and email address, that will get you the account. You can pay all the fees on your end, alleviating the pain for the receiver on the other end. Can't be easier than that. Thanks.